Hello class, today we are designing this dugout bench to build for our school. It combines metal from welding class and wood from construction class. So the metal makes it strong and the wood makes it comfortable. So for this bench frame, we are using 2 by 3 inches hollow steel tube, also known as rectangular steel tube. So come here to the left side and select rectangle, go to the red line, click once and drag, and then click again and type 2, 3 and enter. And then come here, double click, right click, make a group, then double click to see the red here, I mean the the gray here, and go up and do push and pull. In the first one, the first size is 66 inches and enter. Click anywhere outside and zoom out, and here you go. We build the first one. Always double check the measurement. So come here, 66 inches. Now we need to create the following tube. We already did the 66 and you did it at school. We need to do the 28 3/4 and the 26 3/4 and to the end, which is 8.5. So I sent it to you already and I gave you copy too. So please look for that copy and I'm sure you can do it. So the next video, I'm going to show you how we will cut it and how I can make this hollow like this one. So it's good to know. So after creating all the sizes, I'm going to show you how to do the hole. So let's say just is this a solid one? I will come here and I come to look for the offset. If I don't see it, I will come here, type and search OF, and you will see the offset. And what you can do, come here and select, the edges and move your mouse inside a square and type 1/8. So the thickness for this one from inside 1/8, and type enter. I'm just showing you how to do the hollow and press escape. Here you go. And now you're gonna go down to the bottom. Either you can press the bottom on the scene standard view. You will see top view, left view. You will do the same thing. Select this one while you're still inside the piece. I will come to the offset. I don't see it anymore. Let me click here to see if I see it. Yes, it is here. Come here, select this edge and move your cursors inside and type 1/8 and click, and then click inside. When you see it gray like that, click here and delete. There you go. Now you can see the sky. There you go. This is how you create the hollow. Make this video too short, and then I will put together all the pieces that you create. So don't cut and don't make a hollow before you put it together. I'll show you how. See you next video.